Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to make YouTube video downloader using Python. I am using Pafi library for this purpose. To install this library, open command prompt, type pip install Pafi and then enter. I already installed this processor, so I am cancelling this process. Now open editor, import Pafi library, then take a variable called URL and paste the video URL. Of a video. So I am taking this video's URL and pasting here. Then take another variable called video and which is equal to pafi.new and pass URL to this new function. And then to get the best video quality of this video, take a variable called best and enter, type video dot get best. This method returns the best quality of this video and print best. I am printing the quality of this video. Then to download this video, write best dot download method. This video downloads the best video format of this YouTube URL. To run this program, I am typing python app.py. So guys, this is working and video is downloading. It is downloaded 12%. The best video quality is MP4, 1280 and 720 pixel. So guys, this video is downloaded. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to this channel to get more videos